In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal on WooCommerce. This is a quick and easy process that should take you about 5 minutes to complete, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially your control center for managing your website. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left-hand side menu where you'll see a tab labeled WooCommerce. This is your hub for all things related to your online store, allowing you to manage products, orders, and payments. Clicking on WooCommerce will expand a series of options below it. We're going to focus on settings for now, so go ahead and click there. In the settings area, you'll notice several tabs across the top. What you're interested in right now is the Payments tab. This is where you define how customers can pay for your products. Click on it and you'll see a list of different payment methods you can enable for your shop. Among these options, find the one that says PayPal Payments. This is a very popular option due to its overall ease of use, security, and widespread consumer trust. To proceed, click on PayPal Payments. Now, if this is your first time enabling PayPal, you might see a prompt that requires you to install PayPal's payment gateway. Don't worry, this is completely normal and it's just a one-time process. So go ahead and click on Install. This will automatically set up the PayPal plugin, making it available for use on your WooCommerce store. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to ensure everything is set up to allow transactions smoothly. Typically, after installation, there'll be a short configuration process where you will need to enter your PayPal account details. Make sure you're using a business account if you plan on selling products online, as personal accounts come with limitations that might not suit an e-commerce platform. And there you have it. Your WooCommerce store now accepts PayPal. This gives your customers a seamless checkout experience and leverages the trust and security that comes with using PayPal. Remember, once you enable this payment option, always perform a test transaction to confirm everything is working as expected. This ensures your customers have a smooth and hassle-free experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, a smooth payment process can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience, ultimately boosting sales. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling!